business, asking me to continue as myself. And once I'm in, then I would just basically connect it. So I can do that for you now. 1 second. Okay, and now that I've logged in, it's given me all the pages that I have available. So these are all the businesses that I have. And I'll probably connect it to here because it's the most relevant, or probably any of these two. So I'll just click on this. I might do both actually. Click next. Then it gives you a load of options. It's saying that it might not work properly if I turn off anything. Read content, post, manage account, read user content on your page, create and manage ads for your page, all the standard stuff. So I'm fine with that. And if I do want to toggle any of these off, I can always go back into my settings and do that. So that's done. It's now linking Canva to Facebook. Press on OK. Okay, and that's now linked. Now Canva does its thing. It starts to search again. Now it's giving me the options of the 2 pages I've selected. We're going to go here and we can schedule the post. So I'm going to put that here, 2/26, that's scheduled. And then now it's actually just populated into the 19th of October. You'll see it here, and it gives you the mark of its approval and where it's being linked to. So 2/26 on Facebook, so that's where it should go, just as it has done with here. And I can, again, I won't be able to schedule the same thing to the same place, but what I can do, again, I can open up another same thing. So this one's already been scheduled, so I can't do that one again. I'd actually have to wait until after it's been posted and then maybe upload that again. But I can click on anything else, any of my recent designs. So I can just scroll down and just see if there's anything else that I actually do want to put up. And then if there was, so let's just say this one for now. And then just to give you an idea, this isn't Pinterest sizing, so I won't do it for there. I can schedule it here. I can go back to my Facebook page here. I can schedule it to, let's see, it's selected for next week.